Welcome back. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Ready for another video? Let's go. Hello, friends. Today, let's learn 40 things we see in the street. Each word has a short description. Listen and learn with me. Car. A car drives on the street. It takes people to places. A car can be fast. Bus. A bus carries many people. It stops at bus stops. Buses are big and helpful. Motorcycle. A motorcycle is fast and small. It can go through traffic easily. Bicycle. A bicycle has two wheels. You can ride a bicycle for fun or exercise. Truck. A truck carries big things like furniture or food. Trucks are strong. Taxi. A taxi takes people places. You can call a taxi to come to you. Street. We walk or drive on the street. Streets connect places in the city. Road. A road is for cars and buses. Roads can go far from one city to another. Sidewalk. We walk on the sidewalk. It is safe to walk here. Crosswalk. We cross the street here. It tells us where to walk safely. Traffic light. It tells cars to stop or go. We wait for the green light. Street light. A street light is for the street at night. It helps us see in the dark. Sign. A sign shows directions or rules. Signs tell us important information. Shop. A shop sells things. You can buy clothes or food in a shop. Cafe. A cafe has drinks and snacks. You can relax and enjoy coffee here. Restaurant. A restaurant is for eating meals. You can enjoy different foods. Bus stop. We wait for the bus here. It is a place for buses to stop. Train station. A place to take a train. Trains take us to different cities. Building. A building has rooms or offices. Many jobs are done in buildings. House. People live in a house. Houses can be big or small. Tree. A tree has leaves and branches. Trees give us shade. Flower. Flowers grow in gardens or parks. They are colorful and pretty. Grass. Grass is green and soft. It grows in parks and gardens. Park. A park is a place to play or walk. Parks are fun places for families. Bench. We sit on a bench. Benches are in parks and streets. Trash can. We throw trash here. Trash cans keep our streets clean. Fence. A fence goes around a house or garden. It helps keep things safe. Bridge. A bridge goes over water or roads. Bridges help us cross places. River. A river has water that flows. Rivers are home to many animals. Fountain. A fountain has water that goes up. They are beautiful in parks. People. People walk or work in the street. Many people are busy every day. Dog. A dog walks with people. Dogs are friendly pets. Cat. A cat may walk near a house. Cats like to explore outside. Sky. We see the sky above us. The sky can be blue or gray. Clouds. Clouds float in the sky. They can bring rain or shade. Sun. The sun shines in the sky. It gives us light and warmth. Moon. The moon shines at night. We can see it in the dark sky. Stars. We see stars at night. They sparkle in the sky. Airplane. An airplane flies in the sky. It takes people to faraway places. Pigeon. A pigeon is a bird in the street. Pigeons can be found everywhere. Great job. Now you know 40 new vocabulary words. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.